Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying essentials. Confirm the Hisense Roku model and the Roku OS version in Settings System so you know feature availability. Next, make sure the remote is working and the HDMI device you want to adjust is connected and active. This ensures you're changing the right input. Once done, open Home, go to Settings, then Display Type. This is where Roku decides resolution and basic scaling. Make sure picture modes that change framing are disabled before proceeding. Now you refine resolution and aspect. Select Settings, Display Type, and pick the highest resolution both the TV and source support. This ensures crisp scaling rather than software upscaling. Then go to Settings, TV Picture Settings, Picture Size to choose Stretch, Fit, or Crop. Fit usually preserves full image while removing overscan. Use the built-in test pattern or play a familiar video to see edges and captions. Make small adjustments and recheck, because different inputs may need different picture size settings. Finish by saving changes and restarting the TV so settings apply cleanly across inputs. Then verify each HDMI port individually, because cable boxes and consoles can override scaling. Change the device's HDMI output if necessary. If you still see cropped edges, enable HDMI full range or adjust the source's scaling options. This often fixes overscan. Finally, if nothing helps, reset picture settings to default and check for a Roku firmware update.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.